Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. First we need to open the menu by pressing and holding the menu button. So press and hold the menu button. Once the menu opens, use the up or down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, select the system option, and once you select it, press the GPS button. Here, scroll down and find the option called Backlight, select it and press the GPS button. And here we have couple options. We have during activity, general use, and during sleep. Basically, we have three states of the watch. During activity means when you're tracking activity on your watch. General use is basically when you're not tracking activity on your watch and you're just using it as a watch. And during sleep means when you're sleeping. Let's select the during activity first and press the GPS, and here we have the brightness option, as you can see, and we can press the GPS button and adjust the backlight brightness by using the up and down menu buttons, rather, my bad. Select the brightness you like and press the GPS button. So now during the activity, backlight brightness on my watch will be 100%, and we can back and select general use, do the same. So select brightness, select the one you like, for example 80, and then go back and do the same for during sleep. During sleep I would change it to like, yes, maybe something like 5, and then press the GPS. Okay, and once you're done, your backlight brightness should be adjusted. You won't see it because the light is pointing at the watch, but I could try covering the light, and as you can see now it's barely visible, honestly, because the backlight is not too strong on this watch. But that's how you adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.